Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart Coinage. I'm Devansh, and today I'm handing over the exact method I use to make money daily with AI. No courses, no gimmicks, just pure value. I've spent years testing different tools, burning money, and figuring out what works and what doesn't. And now, I've created a checklist of over 400 powerful AI tools I personally use. Want it? Just like this video, subscribe and comment the word checklist down below and I'll send it right over to you. Okay, let's break it down. The core strategy is simple content creation plus affiliate marketing. There are hundreds of AI companies out there like Runway ML, 11 Labs, Pictory, Synthesia and more. And guess what? They all offer affiliate programs. You sign up, get your referral link, and every time someone signs up through it, you earn. If they stay subscribed, you keep getting paid. It's recurring, passive income. Now, how do you know what content to make? That's where the magic begins. I use a free tool called DeepSeek, which is like ChatGPT but designed for deep research. I asked it, how can I create content that goes viral? It gave me gold. Use platforms like Google Trends, BuzzSumo, Reddit, and exploding topics to spot hot trends. So I did. I searched AI on Google Trends and saw terms like humanize AI, Gemini, and ChatGPT prompts gaining serious traction. That's your content roadmap. These are the topics people are actively searching for. Create short videos, carousels, or blogs around these and plug in your affiliate links. It's low effort, high return. You don't need a huge audience. One good piece of content can bring you consistent traffic. I've seen people with 1,000 followers make thousands a month just by being consistent and smart about trends. So don't wait, use AI to your advantage, ride the wave, and start building your online income today. See you in the next video. Until then, keep hustling.